This is a tutorial on how to set up Twilio with Gravity Forms. Unfortunately, I couldn't find anything that did a really good job. So here's what you're going to need to do first. You're going to need to set up your Twilio account. You're going to go into phone numbers. You're going to need to set up a phone number. And after you set up your phone number, you're going to need to set up a TWIML. And so the way that you do that, I'm going to do my best to hide settings that I don't need anybody looking at here. But what you're going to do, you're going to go down to Runtime. And then you're going to go down to TWIML bins. And so you're going to hit the plus sign. And I'll click into this. And so this is going to be the basic format right here. And so you're just going to put in the forwarding number. And you're going to hit save. And then once you've got that set up, I had to figure this out. Again, Gravity Forms doesn't really do a good job. Couldn't find any other videos, but what you got to do is on your WordPress site, you're going to click on You're going to click on Forms, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go to Settings, and then you're going to click on Twilio. And so what you've got to do is you've got to enter in your account SID and then your authorization token, not the SID for each one of your numbers that you set up. This is going to be the master account SID for your entire account. You can switch between test and live, but these arrows have to turn green after you hit update settings. If you put in a wrong SID and authorization token combination, you're going to have red X's over here. So once you've got that updated, then what you've got to do is you've got to go into Forms. You're going to click your form, and you're going to go down to Twilio. And if you haven't created your first connection, you're going to click Add New, and you're going to give it a name. You're going to pick a number because it will detect what you've got set up in your TWIMLs. So you're gonna pick a number. What I end up doing is I end up putting I put in use custom phone number, and then I type in the number that I want it to forward to. And then what you're going to do is you're going to come into here. You can, give it a heading, text message, whatever you want it to be. And then you're going to add in don't have any name, but anyway, you're going to pick your fields: first name, last name, phone number, email address, and then you're going to hit update settings, and then you can actually test your form. All of my tests were successful, so I think it's pretty rock solid once you've got it set up. I've got I don't know, I've got 4 or 5 more of these I've got to set up for clients. But I hope that helps. If you have any questions, DM me, and I'll do my best to help you out. But unfortunately, not any real good tutorial videos on setting this up, so I hope it was helpful.